This is our presentation about Does AI Hinder Creativity? Our team members are Anve Nimbargi, Desiree Arias, Jacob Urquidez, Jesslyn Hopham, Not Hong Pham. Our article is Does AI Limit Our Creativity? The article was published by the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania and was written by Seb Murray. It gave scenarios of how unique ideas can be from people who use their imagination instead of AI, whereas the people who inputted the same prompt got repetitive answers that were more of the same. While AI can generate art, music, and writing in seconds, it does so by copying patterns, not by thinking or imagining. Behind the shiny algorithms lies a system that imitates human creativity without understanding it. AI doesn't just assist creativity, it risks replacing originality with replication. AI can help accelerate personal idea generation, make suggestions, refine ideas, and improve quality. AI is just the foundation. Research shows that small changes in how you ask can lead to more varied results. This means that how you use AI, how you set up the process, is still very important. Since AI models are built from large data sets and optimized for ideal results, when many people use the same tools and similar suggestions, ideas tend to be similar, causing creativity loss. For teams and organizations, many different ideas are often more valuable than many same good ideas. Relying too much on AI without diversity can narrow an organization's creative space. Overall, these tools can't completely replace the process of brainstorming, debating perspectives, and exploring bold ideas that humans generate. Christian Tiravish, the department chair and a professor in Wharton's operations, once said, "If you rely on ChatGPT as your only creative advisor, you'll soon run out of ideas because they're too similar to each other." AI in the workplace. Wharton professors reviewed previous studies on the use of ChatGPT for creative tasks in the workplace and found that ideas by participants using AI were indistinct. Murray acknowledges AI as an unavoidable outlet in modern society. Whether it reaps advantage or disadvantage depends on how the user frames their prompts. Murray narrates a balance between concern towards and encouragement of AI usage. AI can be helpful when used for chain-of-thought prompting. This technique calls for a chatbot to help break the task into smaller, structured steps. It increases variation in ideas and dehomogenizes outcomes. AI can be maladaptive when misused for creative work. With oversimplified and shared prompts, ideas tend to become homogenized. In a study led by Mac Institute research fellow Lennart Meinke using a tool developed by Google to measure relatedness of content, it was reported that, in 37 out of 45 comparisons, ideas generated with ChatGPT were significantly less diverse than those from other methods. As a group, we all thought this article made a lot of sense. AI can be super helpful when you're trying to come up with ideas or get something started. It kind of gives you a push when you're stuck. We've all used it before, so we get how it can speed things up and help organize your thoughts. But at the same time, we notice the same thing the article talks about. When you use AI too much, everything starts to sound the same. The creativity kind of fades, and it doesn't feel personal anymore. So overall, we think AI is cool and definitely has a place in creative work, but it shouldn't take over the whole process. Real creativity still comes from people, our experiences, emotions, and the stuff that makes our ideas different from everyone else's. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your listening.